Hello, everyone. So finally, we are ending the division of numbers. So this is our last subtopic under division of numbers. So let's see division of decimal number by decimal number. So let's see a case where the dividend is a decimal number and the divisor is also a decimal number. What do we do here? So simplify 38.92 divided by 0.5. So solution 38 0.92 divided by 0.5. Remember what we said or what we discussed, that the important thing that must be a whole number is a divisor. So in this case, the divisor is a decimal. So we need to change this divisor from a decimal number to a whole number. What would that give us? This is 1 time. So we are shifting 1 time here. Now, the number of times we shift the divisor determines how many times we shift the dividend. Please take note. The number of times we shift the divisor determines how many times we shift the dividend. So we have to shift the divisor once, and then we shift our dividend once also. So that will give us what? This will give us 389.2 divided by 5. If you notice, the dividend is still a decimal number. So just like I said, the dividend can be a decimal number, it's not a problem. The only issue we have is when the divisor is a decimal number. So our goal is to change the divisor to a decimal number, not the dividend. But if while changing divisor, we also change the dividend to a whole number, that's not a problem. So let's see. Let's take this to our long division. This will give us 5 here, and then we have 389.2. So 5 into 3, this will give us 0. 5 times 0, 0 subtract, this will give us 3. And then we bring down 8. 5 into 38, that will be 7. 5 times 7 is 35. We will subtract, this will give us 3. And then we'll bring down our 9. 5 into 39, that will be 7. 5 times 7 is 35. We will subtract, this will give us 4. Our point goes up, and then we bring down 2. 5 into 42, that will give us 8. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, this will be 2. There's a point up there, so we introduce 0. 5 into 20, that will give us 4. 5 times 4 will be 20, and then our answer will be 0. So the final answer here is 77.84. Okay, so we proceed to number two. Number two, 1863.2 divided by 0.004. Let's see what we have there. 1863.2 divided by 0.004. So let's, like we've said, our divisor is the main thing we are considering. So how many times do we shift divisor? One, two, three. So we also shift here 3 times. One, two, three. Meaning we introduce zeros here. And this will give us 1863,200 divided by 4. Okay, so that's what we are going to divide. I think our short division should help us do that. Okay, so let's see what we have. Let's take it to short division. 1863,200 divided by 4. 4 here 1, 4 here 0 remainder 1, 4 into 18, 4 remainder 2, 4 into 26, 6 remainder 2, 4 into 23, that will give us 5 remainder 3, 4 into 32, that would be 8. 4 into 0, 0, 4 into 0, 0. And our final answer will be 465,800. Okay, and that brings us to the end of division. Please, we have our activities here. Please do well to go through them carefully and do them to get your answers. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like I said, that brings us to the end of division. Please note, at the grade level mathematics, calculators are not needed. So everything we are doing, we need to do it from our brains. So please make sure you carefully go through them. Your times table should stay with you very intact. Thank you for taking on this journey of division, and I hope that you have learned so much in this journey. Thank you very much. Do well to like, subscribe, and share to others. See you in our next class.